Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Snaptroid AI. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a AI or an app that helps you for crafting personalized bios right here and studying avatars. So for example, you can make yourself look like this by just a picture, and you can also make AI generated bios and pictures. But however, they're rated 1.1 out of 5 stars here on Google Play Store, as you can see. So they don't have any reviews, they're hidden. So if you go here to Trustpilot, they're also rated 3.2 out of 5 stars, which only has one review. Right here, don't trust Snaptroid unless you want your phone to get bugs. And right here on Scam Advisor, you also have Snaptroid. And let's take a moment to load. And as you can see, they're rated 75%, 76. Since the app itself is not a scam, however, they do false advertising, and not all people are rated. I have rated it badly, 9 to be exact, and 1 to be medium, and is rated 1.3 out of 5 stars. I don't know why it's 76%. However, they do have negative highlights and a lot more negative comments here. So, scammed by these guys, I was devastated, lost hope. Saw a review where someone got help from Easy Analytics. God, I'm so proud to say all $40. Pounds is all mine again. And a lot of people are saying that this app is a scam, so please refrain from using it. It is not very good to begin with. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.